Hello everyone and welcome back to Zacklit Educational Channel. So the good news is the rescheduling of the UGC NET December 2024 examination for the 15th of January 2025 examination is out now. Yes, the 15th of January 2025 those subjects were rescheduled. That is, the examination was postponed on the occasion of Lohri, Pongal and Makar Sankranti. So now this notice is from the UGC. It is on 14th of January 2025, as you can see here. Let us read here what is the new date. So but here the good news is they have given the dates very early. We were thinking whether they will be giving in February or when. So here date of examination is given 21st of January 2025. And what are the subjects on that day? They are Indian Knowledge System, Malayalam, Urdu, Labor Welfare, Personal Management, Industrial Relation, Labor and Social Welfare, Human Resource Management, Criminology, Tribal and Regional Language Literature, Folk Literature, Konkani and Environmental Sciences. So our subject Environmental Sciences, which we are dealing with, is on 21st of January 2025 and it will be from 9 to 12 p.m. Yes, it is earlier it was in the second shift, but now this time it will be in the first shift, that is 9 to 12 p.m. and let's move on to the other subjects which are in the shift 2, because for all other subjects also you should know if you are from other different subjects. 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. shift 2, Sanskrit, Mass Communication and Journalism, Japanese, Performing Arts, Electronics, Science, Women Studies, Law, Nepali. That will be on 27th of January 2025. And most importantly is the revised admit card will be displayed on the NTA website shortly. So that means the admit card which you have downloaded for all these subjects, it is not applicable now. Maybe the centers will be changed, because new admit card means centers may be changed, but it should be not changed because the people have already reached their city center which is intimated earlier. But here I think they will not change the city where the examination going to be held. For these will be a very much chaos thing, so they should not change the city center or center name, but they should simply change the date along with the time. So I hope it will be also a good news coming when the revised admit card will be out. So don't forget to subscribe the channel Zacklit for further updates. When the revised admit cards will be out, we will be letting you through our channel, either from YouTube or through Telegram page. So see you guys in our next video. Keep preparing, keep revising. Till then, take care and believe in yourself.